Imagine a time, not so long ago, in a small, quiet village, where the day began not with the gentle glow of the sun, but with a grueling journey. This was the world of our ancestors, a world where cooking was one of life's most demanding chores. Long before the first rays of dawn painted the sky, people, especially women, would trek for miles, their backs bent under the weight of collected firewood. Their kitchens, simple rooms made of clay and wood, were constantly filled with thick, choking smoke. It stung their eyes, making them water and burn, and filled their lungs, making every breath a struggle. The air was heavy, not with the pleasant aroma of food, but with the harsh smell of burning wood. And the labor didn't end there. The process of preparing ingredients was just as strenuous. Grains like wheat or rice, the staples of their diet, had to be ground by hand. This meant hours spent hunched over heavy stone mills, pushing and turning with all their might, until their muscles ached and sweat beaded on their foreheads. A simple task for us today was a monumental effort for them. Just think about it. Cooking a single meal for the family wasn't a quick affair. It demanded immense patience, raw physical strength, and a significant portion of their day. It was a cycle of hard labor, repeated day in and day out. For them, this wasn't a burden to complain about. It was just life. It was the only way they knew, and they accepted it without ever imagining that things could be different, that a future of ease was even possible. But the world doesn't stand still. Slowly, almost imperceptibly at first, the seeds of change began to sprout. Science, that quiet and persistent force of human curiosity, started to weave its way into the fabric of daily life. The first major transformation came with the invention of the gas stove. Suddenly, the smoky, soot-stained clay stoves that had been the heart of kitchens for centuries became relics of the past. The constant need for firewood diminished, and with it, the choking smoke that had plagued generations. Kitchens began to transform from dark, hazardous spaces into cleaner, brighter, and safer environments. For the first time, people could cook without their eyes burning or their lungs aching. It was a revolution in a small metal box. Then came another marvel. The pressure cooker, a simple, yet ingenious device that harnessed the power of steam. Dishes that once required hours of slow simmering over a low fire, constantly being watched and stirred, could now be cooked to perfection in a matter of minutes. Lentils, tough cuts of meat, and hearty stews were ready in a fraction of the time. This wasn't just about speed, it was about liberation. And as science marched forward, electricity entered the home, bringing with it a whole army of kitchen assistants. Electric mixers and grinders replaced the back-breaking labor of manual grinding. Refrigerators appeared, magical cabinets that could keep food fresh for days, reducing food waste and the need for daily trips to the market. What was once an exhausting, half-day endeavor was now accomplished in a short, manageable period. This newfound free time was a precious gift. It gave people more moments to spend with their families, more opportunities for learning and education, and more time for much-needed rest. Science wasn't just changing how people cooked, it was fundamentally changing how they lived. Fast forward to today, and the transformation is nothing short of breathtaking. Our kitchens have evolved into smart, efficient, and even beautiful spaces. The days of struggling with unpredictable flames are long gone. We now have electric ovens that maintain perfect temperatures, sleek induction stoves that heat up instantly and are incredibly safe, and automatic rice cookers that deliver fluffy, perfectly cooked grains. With the single press of a button, cooking has become accessible to everyone, not just the seasoned experts. Even a complete beginner can create a delicious meal. Why? Because the knowledge of generations is now available right at our fingertips. We can pull up countless recipes on our phones or tablets, with step-by-step video guides that walk us through every part of the process. Measurements are no longer based on guesswork. Digital scales give us precise amounts, ensuring consistent results every time. We can program our appliances to start and stop at specific times, with just a single touch. A multi-course meal can be prepared with minimal effort and maximum perfection. Science didn't just save us time and effort. It made our lives healthier by eliminating harmful smoke and safer by reducing the risks of fire and burns. It turned a daily chore that was once a source of drudgery into a creative and enjoyable activity. The kitchen is no longer just a place for labor. It has become a hub of creativity, family connection, and joy. and the journey is far from over. The future of cooking promises a level of convenience and intelligence that once belonged only to science fiction. We are standing on the brink of another revolution, this time powered by artificial intelligence. Imagine smart kitchens that act as your personal nutritionist and chef. These AI-powered systems will learn your family's dietary needs and preferences, suggesting healthy and delicious meal plans for the week. They'll automatically generate a shopping list and might even order the groceries for you. These kitchens will also be masters of efficiency, helping us significantly reduce food waste by tracking what we have and suggesting recipes to use up ingredients before they spoil. And what about the cooking itself? We can expect robots to become our kitchen assistants. Not clumsy, clunky machines, but sophisticated robotic arms that can chop vegetables with precision, stir a sauce to the perfect consistency, and even plate a dish with artistic flair. While these robots handle the more tedious tasks, we'll be free to focus on the creative aspects of cooking. Furthermore, our future kitchens will be more sustainable. Clean energy sources, like solar power, will run our appliances, making our cooking habits more eco-friendly. From the arduous task of gathering firewood to the simple act of tapping a screen, the evolution of cooking is a powerful story. It's a testament to how science and technology, when guided by human ingenuity and the desire for a better life, can transform struggle into ease. Cooking, which for centuries was a symbol of hardship, has now become a powerful symbol of human progress. It's living proof that when science serves humanity, our lives become better, healthier, and brighter for everyone. Thank you so much for joining me on this journey through time. If you found this story as fascinating as I do, please hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more explorations into how science has shaped our world.